Well, now it's up to a jury to decide if a man accused of a deadly shooting in uptown Charlotte during a riot is guilty. Channel 9's Glenn Counts has covered the trial from the start, and he was in court for closing arguments. Glenn?
Well, Scott, the jury's been deliberating for about 2 hours and 45 minutes, which isn't all that long given the gravity of the issues here. Now, they've come back twice. They requested and were given a bunch of evidence to take back with them into the jury room. The second time they came out, they wanted the legal definition of possession explained. One of the charges in this case is possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. In their closing arguments, attorneys took jurors back to the night of the uptown Charlotte riots.
It was to destroy, to break into places, to take property that was not his.
Prosecutor Desmond McCallum says that Rayquan Borum was never interested in protesting peacefully, arguing that because he was rioting, he should be convicted of first-degree murder for firing the shot that took Justin Carr's life.
Was Mr. Borum overrunning the police? Was Mr. Borum breaking the Omni glass? Was Mr. Borum throwing things at the police? No.
Then defense attorney Mark Simmons said there was no evidence that Borum was rioting. He also suggested that perhaps it was a police officer who fired the fatal shot and that the department didn't do an ammunition check to make sure that one of their own wasn't involved.
They don't want you to know what happened there because that's not important to them, because they had their guy. He's over there. We're going to put him away for life in prison because we can't have this come back on us again.
Prosecutors said there are real issues surrounding policing and racism, but that didn't have anything to do with Borum's actions.
These are genuine issues and conversations us as a society and a city need to have. But they're not cover and excuses for that man to get away with murder.
Now, if the jury opts to convict, they have two choices, first or second degree murder. First obviously carries a life sentence, and that is what prosecutors want. The defense, on the other hand, reminded jurors that the penalty for second degree is not light by any means. It's 29 years. That obviously would give Borum some hope of getting out someday. Back to you.